sure where the top of the first link or whatever, you know?
I can't hear you. It's a little windy out here, but today we're gonna get a whole bunch done, hopefully. Keeping my fingers crossed. The project we're gonna tackle right now is to see how much chain we have in our chain locker. We're trying to figure out how much will actually fit in it now that we've identified the type that it's supposed to take. So our windlass is set up to do 3/8 BBB or triple B, I guess. Todd's down below getting ready to thread it up to me, so let's see what's happening here. Alright, there's one set of chain and there's the other set of chain. So there's two different sizes, which is interesting. We'll have to see if our windlass actually can handle both of them. We see in our Morgan group on Facebook that a lot of people do 5/16 and 3/8, so we're gonna see how that fits in the windlass.
I feel like I'm windlassed. Hey, there's a mark. 50 fathoms. There we go. That's the end of that side. I think.
That wasn't very much.
Guess I got to go down and hand something else up to you. Here, try pulling this out.
Heavy.
Almost there. Alright, that's it.
I'm thinking kneeling on the deck could be a punishment. It's kind of hard.
Hello.
Hello. So we are home working on the computer today, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep, got to get those videos edited. But we wanted to give you just a heads up a little bit about what's going on, and you may or may not have heard about the changes that YouTube made to all the family channels recently due to some bad actors who were leaving nasty comments. Luckily, we have not had that problem on our channel. Thank you for everybody that comments and encourages us in what we're doing in our adventure. As a result, they have made it so that we need to moderate comments heavily or turn them off. We've chosen to moderate all comments. But don't worry, as we have an opportunity, we will look over those comments and approve them. If you would like a little bit more contact with us and conversations, we encourage you to head over to our Patreon account and become a patron, or check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Spoondrifters. We do this for you. We want you to do hard things, be amazing, reach for your dreams and your goals, because frankly, living an epic life is worth it. Huh, Liberty? All right, back to our regularly scheduled program.
Bye.
Bye. Well, there's not very much there.
We will see, won't we?
Heavy?
Yeah. It's heavy.
100 feet of chain.
Well, that's not enough.
100 feet of chain. Nope. You see how much road we have? This one?
Doesn't look like as much. Don't get rope wrapped around your feet. The kids just got here. You did scare me. They stay home in the mornings and get some chores done and some schoolwork done. It's really nice having Katie be able to supervise that and drive. Some of us are happier than others today.
She didn't do the dishes.
So how much of road do we have, dear?
111 feet of road, 20 feet of chain on this side, and what do we figure, 100 feet of chain on the other side?
Yeah. And does it fit the windlass?
I don't know, it's hard to tell. It kind of looks like it mostly does. I think it would probably work, but it's only 20 feet of chain, and that's at the very end anyway. So it's probably not even a big deal, because you run the road, I think, around this.
Right.
To pull it up and then transition to this.
Oh, dude, that stuff's heavy.
Yeah. And this stuff fits perfectly. It's perfectly in there.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in our next episode.